So one of the things that you can go ahead and let your users do in Jotform is let them choose an image in the form as well. So for that, you need to go ahead and utilize something called the Image Picker Widget. So to do that, you need to click on Add Element and then go under Widget and then choose Image Picker. Once you do that, you can see that by default, you got two images right here. You can go ahead and say something like choose your preference right here, just like this. You can add a new image right here and give it a label. So let's just add in third image right here. Let's choose a file and then you can upload a file as you want. You can enter a URL or you can just go ahead and choose from the image that you have. So let's just use the selected, and then what happens is that this image gets loaded, as you can see right here. Then you got the image size definition right here. You can go ahead and change it out according to how you want, and all the image size will be changed out accordingly right here. You can choose the max selection number as well. So let's say I'm going to select 2. And then on the border type, you can go ahead and choose border selection or checkmark selection. Let's just select border right here and update it out. Once I do that over here, if I were to go to preview form right here, you can see that there's the border. Click on it and the border will be highlighted right here, just like this. But you cannot select the third one because we actually added in a limit. So let's just unselect this and select this right here, just like this, and two of the images are now selected. Let's just go ahead and remove this and then go around over here onto the widget options right here. So you can go around and set the border type to checkmark right here. Let's just update it and then preview out the form now. And once you do that, as you click, you can see checkmark right here instead of the border. So these are the options that you have. Over here, you can add in custom CSS if you want to as well. But let me just go around over here onto properties, and then over here you can go ahead and center align this or right align it as you want. You can enable and disable the label as you want. You can change around, let's say for example, the label alignment to top, left and right and so forth. And you can go ahead and change around the width and height of the field as well. Let's say for example, I can say something like 500 right here and change around the image to top and so forth. You can go ahead and make this compulsory as well. You can go ahead and duplicate this field out, as you can see right here. You can even go ahead onto advanced and change the widget name as you want. So I'm just going to say choice right here, just like this. And instead of image picker, I'm going to go ahead and say choose your pick right here, just like this. You can shrink it out right here as well. And if you were to go ahead and shrink two elements, you can see that they are there side by side. You can move it to the new line as needed as well. And you can even go ahead and hide the field that you don't want. But let me just go ahead and delete this out right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove the shrink as well. Apart from that, you can also see the field details right here to see the detail in a coding level as well. So this is basically how you can go ahead and work around and add in an image picker widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.